Hi there, this is Katie with Sola Wood Flowers. Today we are going to make an adorable mason jar arrangement from a wood cutout. We are going to gather our supplies here. We've got our mason jar wood cutout. We're going to use some twine. We have our glue gun, a little bit of filler, and of course our Sola Wood flowers. We are going to start by wrapping our twine around the top of this mason jar. This is just going to give us a little bit of a rustic touch and just kind of add a little something to it. We're going to start by adding just a little bit of glue. We're going to stick the end of that twine to the glue. You want to make sure that it has a few minutes to cool just so the twine doesn't just slip right off the hot glue. And now we're just going to wrap it around a few times. Now that our twine's done, we are going to add our Sola Wood flowers. Here we are using an assortment of flowers in different sizes and different shades of oranges and yellows, and even a few that we've hand painted. Those are the ones that you can see, like the first flower I've glued on here, and it has a little bit of orange and yellow tints to it, just to make it look more realistic. So we're just going to start by gluing on our flowers. We're going to mix it up a little bit so we don't have all our oranges and all of our yellows in one spot. We're just going to kind of mix those together. And all we're doing is adding a little dot of glue to the back of the flower and then sticking that right to the wood. Don't worry too much about having a little bit of space between your flowers. We can go ahead and fill that in with our little filler bunches that we've created. Now ready to add those filler bunches. We're just going to add a little bit of glue there, and then we are going to wedge it down in between our flower petals and stick it right to the glue just like we did the flowers. We're going to add it in a few different spots, kind of spraying it out evenly throughout the little flower arrangement that we've made. You can use whatever type of filler you would like, or whatever flower colors you would like as well. We're just using a dried flower here, and again a variety of Sola Wood flowers. This is a super fun and easy craft. It's perfect for a craft night with your friends or even involving the kids in it. Thank you for joining us today, and happy crafting!